Hello children, welcome back to your science class now. Students, today we will start learning question answer of the chapter How Our Body Works. Okay, the chapter is How Our Body Works. So, students, today we will start question answer. There are 10 question answers in this from this chapter. So, today we will do only 5. Okay, those who have not written this question answers, please check. First you check your class or copy whether you have completed this question answers or not. If you have not written by chance, then you complete it first. Okay, first you complete it, write it in your class or copy, then you will memorize it. Now you will start reading with me. Read the question as well as answer. Okay, so start. C. Answer the following question. Okay, these are short type of question. 1. Name 4 internal organs of our body. Answer. 4 internal organs of our body are brain, heart, lungs and stomach. Internal organs of our body, that means the organs that we cannot see because it is inside our body. Okay, so you have to write 4 internal organs. So what are they? 4 internal organs of our body are brain, heart, lungs and stomach. Okay, learn the spellings. Stomach, STOMACH. Okay, now come to on number 2. What does the stomach do? That means what is the function of the stomach, that you have to write. What does the stomach do? Answer. The stomach digests the food we eat by changing the complex food into simpler substances. That means the food we eat is complex food. Okay, and then we chew with our saliva, then it goes inside and again it convert to paste type things. So that is called simple substance. Okay, so this is the function of the stomach. The stomach digests the food we eat by changing the complex food into simple substances. This is the answer. Shall I repeat again? Listen. Question number 2. What does the stomach do? Answer. The stomach digests the food we eat by changing the complex food into simple substances. Okay. Question number 3. Why do we need to exercise? In the lockdown period, it is very important to exercise twice in a day. I am doing. Okay, so why do we need to exercise? Its answer is, we need to exercise to keep ourselves fit and active. Exercise can improve our health too. Listen. Again read the question. Why do we need to exercise? The answer is, we need to exercise to keep ourselves fit and active. Exercise can improve our health also. Now question number 4. What role do bones and muscles play in our body? The question is, what role do bones and muscles play in our body? That means here also you have to write the function of the bones and muscles. Okay? The work. Function means the work. Bones and muscle work together to make us move, run and play. Bones and muscles work together to make us move, run and play. This is the answer. Now move on to question number 5. What is our heart made up of? What is our heart made up of? Answer. Our heart is made up of strong muscles. The question is, read it again. The question is, what is our heart made up of? Okay? The answer, very simple answer. The answer is, our heart is made up of strong muscles. Okay, this is up to 5, question number 5. Tomorrow I will give you 5 more questions. Today also I can give, but you can't memorize all. So today you write. Those who have not written yet, they will complete writing and then memorize. And those who have already written all these questions, they will start memorizing. Okay? So please complete the work today only. Today's classwork is to read the questions twice, thrice with answers, and the homework is to memorize it. Now you have to prepare for the half-yearly exam. It is about to come. So students, the class ends here, and prepare for exam. Good day.